Welcome to 373 5th Street in South Amboy. This single-family home, it's a beautiful colonial where tradition meets charm and timeless elegance. The moment you enter the house, you are greeted by this beautiful open space with a living room and dining room combo. Bay window lets in so much light. Look at all these historic elements in this house. Beautiful hardwood floors, craftsman staircase leading to the second floor, and even the built-in glass cabinet in the wall. You don't see things like this in the houses that we have today, right? There are walls of windows in this house. So much light, and breezes in the summer are to die for. Also, I want you to pay attention to the lighting throughout the house because it's extremely modern and nice. This is the side entrance to the house that leads to the kitchen. This is the cooking nook, I call it. You get to peek at the backyard, which is gorgeous, and look, so much greenery. It's so nice and quiet in this particular neighborhood. This island is very unique. It matches actually the modern accents of lighting throughout the house, and it's a beautiful bathroom which is upstairs. So we're going to the second floor right now. Our 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom are located. Again, you have to appreciate the craftsmanship of this staircase. On sunny days, you are able to see the ocean through this window and boats passing by. Same with this window, okay? So this is bedroom number 1. It's very bright and light. You have a closet on the left-hand side, and then the second bedroom, which has 2 closets. So I would say this is a primary bedroom. Again, beautiful bay window, letting all the light in, and I'm going to show you the wide and quiet and beautiful street that this house is located on. Then I'm going to show you the bathroom, which is going to blow your mind. This is state-of-the-art amenities in this bathroom. It feels like you are in a spa, right? You have the heated towel rack, the steam shower, beautiful accents, tiles and batteries and stuff like that. So also, you can see here there is access to the attic here, which is great for storage. And then we are coming down again. I wanted to show you the basement in the house. One last final look at this gorgeous space. I mean, it's breathtaking, right? And even look in front of the house, you have this cozy sitting area. You can enjoy your morning coffee here or read a newspaper. And then we are heading through the dining room to the kitchen and straight to the basement. By the way, the basement is around 600 square feet and it has 2 rooms. One bigger part is finished and it has a possibility for a bathroom because there is a nook here behind this door that actually has all the hookups for a bathroom ready. It's just a matter of finishing this space up and creating a bathroom downstairs. It can even be a full bathroom. And then you're heading to the second room, which is a utility laundry room. But what's interesting, you have an outdoor access to the backyard, direct access to the backyard through the Bilco doors. Now, I'm going to take you outside through the side door that's in this little foyer that leads you to the driveway, 3-car driveway, 2-car carport, which is very important. It's a very great substitute for a garage. And then you have this shed for storage. And here on the right-hand side, you can see it's like a little relaxing area, little patio. Again, you have this wall that separates you from the neighbor, so it gives you privacy. But overall, this particular yard is extremely private and quiet and beautiful. Great for relaxation or hosting parties with your friends and family. It's unbelievable that you can get all of this private oasis so close to New York City access, all the highways, shopping for only $425,000. Call me for a private showing.